Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you DeepSeek coder versus ChatGPT for coding. Which one should you use? So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. When deciding between DeepSeek coder and ChatGPT for coding tasks, it's essential to consider their unique features, performance and suitability for specific needs. DeepSeek coder is an open source AI model developed by Chinese company DeepSeek. It focuses on code intelligence and has been trained on a vast amount of code data, enabling it to perform well in coding related tasks. The model supports a wide range of programming languages and offers features like code generation and infeeding. Its open source nature allows for customization and integration to various development workflows. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is a versatile language model capable of understanding and generating human-like text across various domains, including coding. While not exclusively designed for programming, ChatGPT can assist with code generation, debugging and explanations. Its strength lies in general purpose capabilities and the ability to handle a broad range of tasks beyond coding. So key considerations are specialization versus versatility, performance and community and support. In conclusion, your choice between DeepSeek coder and ChatGPT should be guided by specific requirements. For dedicated coding assistance with flexibility and open source software, DeepSeek coder is a compelling choice. If you need more general purpose AI assistant capable of handling a wide array of tasks, ChatGPT means a stronger contender. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.